Agentic AI in retail is moving from experiment to operational reality. For retailers today, the promise is no longer just smarter recommendations. It's about building systems that scale without losing control. The real value lies in building systems that support service, data, and operations at scale without losing reliability or governance. This deep dive explores how we achieve that dependable orchestration. Retail is a high-pressure environment. Demand spikes arrive suddenly. Customer interactions happen across many channels, and teams need systems that can keep pace with inventory and fulfillment. In this context, agentic AI is less about flashy automation and more about dependable orchestration, strong guardrails, and clear accountability across every touchpoint. Retail has always been an operations business. What changes with agentic AI is the ability to connect those layers more intelligently. But if the system isn't reliable, the benefit disappears. An AI agent can route a service issue, monitor a workflow, and coordinate multiple steps. By focusing on the fundamentals first, we ensure the best agentic AI begins with control and observability. The design must let teams know exactly what the system is doing, why it's doing it, and when a human should step in. This is the bedrock of trustworthy autonomous systems. Operational guardrails and human oversight together make it possible to use these systems without handing over critical decisions blindly. In retail, that distinction is absolutely essential. A product return, a fraud alert, or a stock allocation decision can all have massive downstream consequences. Trustworthy systems manage this risk rather than amplifying it. Think of agentic AI as a coordination layer. It doesn't replace your enterprise systems, it connects them, moving requests across channels and triggering actions based on defined rules. The applications are broad. We're seeing successful implementation in customer support triage, demand handling, and store operations support, areas where consistency is as vital as speed. By following the same policy logic every time, an agent can escalate edge cases while reducing manual friction in repetitive work. This creates a dependable system of coordinated actions. Retail specifically benefits from multi-agent architecture. Specialized agents handle specific tasks, one for service, another for inventory anomalies, and another for compliance checks. The goal isn't autonomy for its own sake. It's to create a system that supports the human team with consistency. This is especially true during those critical peak moments. Holiday surges and flash sales expose weak points quickly. If an agentic system can't maintain performance under load, it's not ready for production-grade retail use. Reliability depends on a stable operating layer, constant quality monitoring, and clear escalation paths. This orchestration ensures services remain coordinated even when demand spikes. So how do you start? We recommend focusing on the workflows that matter most. Define your guardrails early and design for trust from day one of your pilot. When each component is monitored and understood, teams can detect failure early and isolate problems. This makes the system easier to govern and more resilient over time. Reliability is a core requirement in retail AI, not an optional enhancement. It's what transforms a promising experiment into a dependable, production-ready tool. AI orchestration helps ensure that multiple services, rules, and workflows stay aligned. This is how retailers scale without destabilizing their existing infrastructure. The coordination layer is ultimately about people. It's about building systems that help teams work faster, safer, and with more consistency across the entire business. As we move forward, the retailers who prioritize reliability and human-in-the-loop design will be the ones who lead the next wave of retail transformation. Start with the workflows that matter most to your customers and your teams. Build for trust, and the results will follow. Agentic AI is ready for the retail floor. Agentic AI in retail isn't just about the technology. It's about a reliable, responsible future for operations, service, and growth. Explore how agentic AI can improve your operations today. Visit our site to learn more or share your thoughts on the future of retail scaling.